Okay. Illustration 6. Govind and Gopal has started partnership firm on 1/4/2016. Yani the firm is beginning. We are starting the partnership on 1/4/2016 this year itself. Partners are entitled for 5% interest on capital. 10% commission is payable to Gopal on profit, underline, after deduction of commission from the profit. Partner sharing profit and loss in proportion of 3:2. There are several mistakes in trading account and profit and loss account prepared by an unexperienced accountant. Okay. You are asked to prepare revised annual accounts from the given trading account, P&L account, and list of assets and liabilities and other information. Now trading account and profit and loss account is given as on 31/3/2017. Now यहाँ पे purchases तुम लिखते ही जाओ यहाँ पे, okay, combine है तो trading. Now goods return credit. Can you tell me what is this goods return credit? Any one of you? Do you know what is goods return credit? Okay. Last year, we had learned this. We have seen this in the chapter trial balance. Now, normally goods return and there is a debit balance or there is a credit balance. So we know debit balance is sales return and credit balance is purchase return. But over here, what you can see is here it is given goods return and it is given credit. It means what? Goods return credit means what? Goods return credit means goods are returned with a credit note. With a credit note. It means what? This good return credit is our sales return. सेल्स रिटर्न का एंट्री हम क्या पास करते हैं? सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू कस्टमर अकाउंट क्रेडिट. तो हम क्रेडिट नोट इश्यू करते हैं. तो ये गुड्स रिटर्न किया है with a credit note. That is why it is given goods return credit. So it is sales return. Now what if it is given goods return debit? अगर ऐसा दिया है goods return debit, ओके, ऐसा नहीं लिखा है गुड्स रिटर्न डेबिट बैलेंस, गुड्स रिटर्न क्रेडिट बैलेंस. अगर ऐसा लिखा होता तो डायरेक्टली वी कुड हैव डन बिकॉज वी नो गुड्स रिटर्न डेबिट बैलेंस इज सेल्स रिटर्न and goods return credit balance is purchase return. Goods comes in, so debit sales return, goods goes out, so credit purchase return. Over here it is given goods return only debit like this. So in this case, this debit is goods return with a debit note. हम debit note से goods return कर रहे हैं तो debit करेंगे supplier को और credit करेंगे purchase return को. So it is our purchase return. Please write this. Very important. All of you understood this? All of you understood this? Okay. So please write this. Only goods return is given many times in the trial balance, and we know if it's debit side it is sales return, credit side it is purchase return. But here it is given this way, goods return credit. Now ऐसा नहीं लिखा है credit balance है, so it means it's a credit goods return with a credit note. So we credit a personal account and we debit what? Sales return. Goods return में debit what comes in? तो comes in क्या हो सकता है return में? Sales return, also known as returns inward, and purchase return, also known as returns outward. Should I go to the next concept now? Okay, let's go back. Now, over your goods return credit is given, which is wrong. So your goods return credit is basically what? It's your sales return. So it will go to trading account deducted from sales. Okay, minus sales. And goods return debit is what? Purchase return. लिखी लो साथ में. Okay. So this will be what? Minus purchase. Tick purchase. So 2,48,600 में से ये 600 which is purchase return minus होगा and 2,400 is our sales return. Got it all of you? Okay, that's why I'm doing this sum. Closing stock we know. Trading account, credit side. At the same time it will also go to balance sheet asset. Now यहाँ पे there will be no opening stock because we are starting the business on 1/4. Okay, तो business ही चालू हो रहा है, उस दिन में कोई stock नहीं है, but we have a closing stock because year end पे closing stock है 50,000 का. Wages trading, carriage inward trading, तुम देखो carriage outward को minus कर दिया है, पता नहीं ये कौन है, कहाँ से पढ़ा था, definitely UL से नहीं पढ़ा होगा हमारे पास से. Okay, now carriage outward, it is going to profit and loss. Salary, profit and loss, rent, postage, sundry expense, telephone expense, Govind's drawing and Gopal's drawing. ये सब चले जाएगा capital account में. Okay, then interest. Okay, that's fine. Profit and loss, and discount received, profit and loss. That's fine. Credit. नेट लॉस का अभी हमें कुछ भी करना नहीं है, इसका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है. नाउ पोजीशन ऑफ असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज एज ऑन 31st March 2017. नाउ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 50,000 ऑलरेडी यू नो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज 50,000, तो असेट में ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है, तो नॉट टू वरी, वी विल राइट दिस. Debtors 1 lakh, furniture 20,000, building 50,000, cash on hand 6,000, bank balance 24,000. Liabilities, creditors, bills payable, capital of Govind and capital of Gopal. Okay, obviously यहाँ पे हम A और N लिखते नहीं है because दिया ही है कि ये assets है और ये liabilities है. Now adjustment, write off bad debts 2,800, so you tick debtors. Provide 2% discount reserve on debtors, so you tick debtors. Maintain bad debt reserve 7,200, so you tick debtors. Provide 5% depreciation on furniture and building. Furniture tick, building tick. Capital भी दिया है, गोविंद का 1 lakh, गोपाल का 30,000. Any doubt anyone? Should I start the sum now? Ready with the format? Okay. Let's start with कैपिटल के बैलेंसेस हम पहले लिख देते हैं एज वी यूजुअली डू. गोविंद 1 lakh एंड गोपाल 30,000. नेक्स्ट, now be careful here, there are adjustments over here also in the beginning of the question. Interest on capital, commission payable. So before we close, we need to give effects of this, so keep this in mind. Let's start with trading and P&L account. Purchase. So here already trading and P&L was there, so we are making a revised trading account. Okay, so purchase 2,48,600 to purchase. Less purchase return or you can write goods return debit 600, outer column 248. Next, closing stock. Acha, sales return, we'll do it with sales. Closing stock 50,000 by closing stock 50,000. Next, wages 11,200. Carriage inward 8,000. Carriage outward 4,000. So profit and loss account first two lines always blank. 4,000. Salary 18,000. Rent 12,000. Postage expense 600. Sundry expense 1200. Telephone expense 1600. Drawings Govind 6,000. Gopal 4,800. Govind 6,000. Gopal 4,800. Drawings. Now sales 3,32,400 by sales. Sales return 2,400. Three lakh 30,000 outer column. Next, interest 600. Profit and loss account first two lines blank. By interest 600, by discount 800. Okay. Done everything from here. Proceed now. Okay. Now we go to assets. Stock 50,000. Current assets. So using the second half part of it, stock 50,000. Debtors 1 lakh. minus bad debts as per adjustment bad debt reserve as per adjustment discount reserve as per adjustment. Furniture 20,000, building 50,000. I'll write furniture 20,000, building 50,000. Cash on hand. Now cash on hand is 6,000 and bank balance 24,000. Liabilities, creditors 40,000, bills payable 14,000, capital of Govind and capital of Gopal 30,000, Govind 1 lakh and Gopal 30,000. We have already done it in the beginning itself. All done till now. Should I proceed? Okay. Now, just a moment. Okay, now let's go to the adjustments. Write off bad debts of 2,800. Provide 2% discount reserve on debtors. Maintain bad debt reserve of 7,200. So let's go to our format for bad debts. Bad debt as per adjustment 2,800. Bad debt reserve as per adjustment already given 7,200. And then discount reserve is 2%. So 90,000, 2% is 1,800. Outer column 88,200. Let's give the second effects. Profit and loss account to bad debts as per trial balance. It's not there. Plus bad debts as per adjustment 2,800 and plus bad debt reserve as per adjustment 7,200. So total comes to 10,000. No need to write bad debt reserve as per trial balance because है ही नहीं तो not required. So to discount reserve amount is 1,800. Provide 5% depreciation on furniture and building. minus 1000 2500 and 1000. To depreciation, building 2500, furniture 1000, outer column 3500. So depreciation also done. So sum khatam ho gaya. Should we start finding the profit? Is the sum over? No, the sum is not over. So what you can do is, while you are, say for example, such sums come in your exam, so you should put some note over there कि interest और ये सब बाकी है. Okay? So be careful. The sum is not yet over. So let's see what adjustment is left. Interest on capital. Partners are entitled for 5% interest on capital. So let's calculate interest on capital. Capital के नीचे interest on capital. %5, so 5,000 and 1,500. Now, partners capital account credit, P&L appropriation account debit. So P&L appropriation account to interest on capital, Govind, Gopal, 5,000, 1,500, 6,500. Now, 10% commission is payable to Gopal on profit. After deduction of commission, profit sharing proportion is 3:2. So now check all the adjustment, all the two effects, and then let's start first closing the trading account, revised trading account. Credit side is more, minus 1,12,800 to profit and loss account. Gross profit 1,12,800. That's right. We transfer it profit and loss account credit side by trading account or revised trading account. Gross profit. Now credit side is more. Let's do the total. Same on the debit side. And let's find the difference. $61,500 to profit and loss appropriation account. Net profit. Transfer it, P&L appropriation by profit and loss account. $61,500 net profit. Okay, now there is a commission to partner also, and it is payable to Gopal. So before you close this, let's first find out profit and draft. So working note 1 for commission to Gopal. Now first let's find out profit before commission. $61,500 minus 6,500. So it comes to 55,000. Minus commission after deducting. So what we do is 55,000 into 10 divided by 110, which comes to 5,000. So what we are left with is profit after commission distributed between partners. Please do this working. Now here we mentioned to commission working note 1 5,000. Gopal. Second effect, partners capital account by commission Gopal 5,000. Now let's find out the final profit distributed between partners. We already know it is 50,000. So 50,000 be distributed between partners to partners capital account. Govind, Gopal. 3:2 is the ratio, so 30,000 and 20,000. transfer it by profit and loss appropriation account, 30,000, 20,000. Okay, now let's close capital accounts. One lakh 35,000 balance. Minus 6,000. 1,29,000 and Gopal. 56,500. Fifty-one 700. Buy balance bought for it. Capital Govind, Gopal, do the totals. 10. Done all of you? Is the question done? Any doubt anyone? Easy? Okay. Now come to question number 13. 1313. I'll just discuss it for you, which you have to do as homework. Okay, so we are discussing question number 13, which you have to do as homework, and the solved sum is also uploaded on our app. Now, Harsha and Chaya are partners of partnership firm. From the following information, prepare final accounts. Now, drawings are given. Now, drawings here, you can see that over here, just a minute. Drawings over here, you can see there are different dates. 110 and then you have 1/1/2017. So you need to be careful with this. Okay, they are on different dates. Then current account bhi hai yahan pe. I'm marking it. Harsha, which has a debit balance, so it will go to asset. Oh, sorry. We'll record it on the debit side, okay? Because there are adjustments also. So it will be recorded on the debit side of a current account. Then you have interest on capital, which is already given. Harsha and Chaya, already interest on capital is given. This will go to P&L app. App is appropriation account. Then you have machinery office asset, interest on loan, profit and loss, salary. Now dhyan do please, all of you please pay attention. It has lots of hidden adjustments, so very tricky and important sum. Now salary monthly 1,000 is given. but here it is given 13,000. It means what? Can anyone tell me?
Prepaid.
Prepaid, yes, very good. It means we have paid in advance. So isko tick karo as hidden adjustment. I'll write H over here. Okay, prepaid aayega, prepaid. 1,000 per month, so it should be 12,000, but it is 13,000. So 1,000 we have paid in advance. So we deduct from salary and transfer it to balance sheet asset. Okay, salary of Chaya, again P&L app, because Chaya is our partner. Then debtors, receivable rent, bad debts, okay, debtors asset, receivable rent asset, bad debt profit and loss as per adjustment, stock of goods, 31/3/2017. So closing stock is already given asset. Now insurance premium, important adjustment, out of which 1200 is for the year end 36/2017. Now dhyan do, insurance is paid up to 36/2017. What is our balance sheet date? Our balance sheet date or trial balance date over here, sorry. So trial balance date is 31/3/2017. So it means April, May and June, 3 months we have paid in advance. So we have to calculate how much is prepaid. Very simple, 1200 into 3/12. So it will be rupees 300. So 300 will be deducted from insurance premium. It is prepaid. Okay, and second effect will be balance sheet asset. So mark this hidden adjustment. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Okay, proceed now. Now, capital account will see if there is any adjustment in capital, or else directly it will go to balance sheet asset. Current account will go to current account. Interest on drawing, again this will go P&L app. Loan of Harsha. Now Harsha is our partner, 1/10/2016. So tick karo, it's a hidden adjustment. 6% interest on loan we have to provide for how many months? 110. So October, November, December, January, February, March, 6 months. So 10,000 into 6% into 6/12, which comes to 300. So 300 will be your interest on loan. Okay. Now over here, interest on loan is given. Just a minute. Okay. 300 is interest on loan. Now out of that interest on loan, already 200 is given. So minus 200 already given. So outstanding kitna? 100. So isko bhi mark kar do, interest on loan ko. And we can see that we don't have any other loan. So this interest on loan is rightly assumed as this is interest on the loan of Harsha. Okay? अगर यहाँ पे और कोई liability होता तो हम ऐसा मान सकते थे कि उसका इंटरेस्ट है और किसी से लोन लिया होता तो, पर यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So it is rightfully assumed that this is loan of Harsha on which we have already paid 200. So 100 is still outstanding. Got it all of you? Got it all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now rent. So profit and loss, creditors, liability, trading account already given. So it's your gross profit. Bank balance, asset, interest on current account. Again P&L app. And here we have very interesting account known as suspense account 300. So now we will see if we are able to find this error. If not, it is credit balance, so it will be transferred to liability. We see this, okay, I've just marked it, highlighted it. Now, yes, this will go away. Now provide 5% interest on capital, 6% on drawing, 10% on opening balance of current account. You will be able to do depreciation, you will be able to do Monthly salary of Chaya is 500. Now Chaya का monthly salary of Chaya is 5500. अगर 500 है तो 500 into 12 is 6000. So 500 is outstanding. So इसको भी टिक कर दो, इसको भी टिक कर दो. पता चला ये 500 पर मंथ इज द सैलरी. तो 12 महीना का 6000, उसमें से 5500 वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड. तो रह गया कितना? तो रह गया 500. तो 500 इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो इट विल गो टू पीएनएल ऐप. ओके, प्रॉफिट लॉस अप्रोप्रिएशन में सैलरी ऑफ छाया में ऐड करेंगे और सेकेंड इफेक्ट देंगे बैलेंस शीट, सॉरी सेकेंड इफेक्ट देंगे इसको पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में. देन लेट्स प्रोसीड. Total of sales book is undercast by 500. Now sales book is undercast by 500 का मतलब है कि सेल्स बुक डायरेक्टली अफेक्ट करता है, उसका टोटल अफेक्ट करता है सेल्स अकाउंट को. सो सेल्स अकाउंट इज लेस बाय 300. तो ओनली वन इफेक्ट. नाउ सेल्स अकाउंट इज नॉट देयर, सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ रिवाइज्ड ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. इज दिस क्लियर? Or you can do a working for it, but I suggest you prepare a revised trading account. Okay, उसमें क्या करना? You write buy sales. Okay, in the bracket you write undercast 300. That's it. And because of that, our suspense account will go away. Because to rectify this error, our entry will be suspense account debit to sales account 300. ओके, सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट. तो सेल्स में चला जाएगा और सस्पेंस अकाउंट जिसका बैलेंस क्रेडिट है अब वो हो जाएगा डेबिट. सो दिस विल नाउ गो अवे फ्रॉम आवर ट्रायल बैलेंस एंड आवर बैलेंस शीट. सो यू डोंट हैव टू रिकॉर्ड दिस. समझ में आ गया सबको? ग्रेट. नाउ 1700 is to be transferred to general reserve. So I think you will be able to do that. Okay, now so I think now you will be able to do this sum. Okay, हो सके तो खुद try करना. Then you watch my lecture because every concepts are again explained in that. Got it, all of you?